Good afternoon. We're out in the outside, the other greenhouse that I ain't finished, where I put 22 more trees in ground. And we're just going to walk through it and look at these trees real quick. This is the Black Celeste. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll insert the Barra Bronca right here that I washed down, and we can see what it looks like too. This is my Barra Bronca tree that I washed down, and it did set fruit. Looks good. I need to come back and turn it, but it done good. All right, that is Borgia Negra Ramada. Kind of, the leaves kind of fell off of it. Been getting a few figs off of it. LSU Tiger, Alcara, Clima Demora. Some of these, that's Aid the Day Argentile. Some of them didn't do much. I've also got a little issue with, I think this is, I think it's rabbits, but I think it is, coming out here and eating on these. There's Norday Ballone. It seems like a lot of these didn't do so great. I planted them out here. They took it, and that'll happen. It takes them a little bit of time to dig in. Some of them take it better than others. That's Moral de Caneva, Blue Princess, Planera. It is a rabbit. There's a rabbit living out here. Dogs just jumped it. What else we got here? Sesek. I just took an air layer off of that for my friend Homer at Basement Figs. Check his channel out. Big going. Iranian Candy. Paul Kurt Negra. Verdone from Nikki. It's a dark fig, supposed to be. A mushroom crop. No, they're not edible. And the fig tree is I-258. Not going to get no crop off of it this year. Won't be no fig. That's okay, because it was just a fig plug. There's Campaneri. It's pretty low to the ground. This is De La Senora Hibernica. I've got a few figs off of it this year. Moscatel, Preto, Bertolino. These I'm going to cut back under these. This will be a 2-foot tall box, but I'll be honest with you, I think I'm just going to end up making these 4 after this season, and I'm not even going to worry about planting the other half of this greenhouse till next year. This is RDB. It done real well this year out here. And the last one is Black Zadar. I really like that fig too. So that's what's going on in that greenhouse, and there's the wood chip floor in the other greenhouse that we're going to use for our nursery. And then right out front, right here, in front of the, right there, kind of where those bags are, we're going to be putting our commercial kitchen. Been getting bids on it. Not going to be a cheap process, it don't look like, but we'll see how that turns out. Well, there's a quick look over at this greenhouse out here and what it's kind of been doing. I ain't had much time to spend a lot of time out here. It's just been busy with the other greenhouse and life in general, so trying to keep up with the rest of the work. Thanks for watching.